This is an Asian palm civet, used by farmers to produce the world's most expensive coffee. These civet love to eat coffee cherries and poop out undigested coffee beans. And then farmers just wash them off and use them for coffee production. So we went to Indonesia to understand on how they prepare the civets for coffee production. Traditionally, farmers cultivate coffee plants and allow the coffee cherries to ripen on the trees. These cherries are the raw material for coffee production. Wild civets are attracted to the ripe cherries. When the cherries are in season and fully ripe, they become a part of their diet. They consume the cherries, including the pulp and the coffee beans inside. The beans pass through the civet's digestive system and excreted by the civet in its feces. Farmers would search and collect the feces, then retrieve the undigested coffee beans from it. The fermentation that occurs during digestion is considered by some to contribute to the unique and distinctive flavor profile of civet coffee. However, due to the increasing demand for civet coffee and the challenges of relying solely on wild civets, some farmers have started breeding civets in captivity for the coffee-making industry. Breeding civets in captivity allows for more control over the production process, including diet management and living conditions. Creating suitable housing for civets and farming environment requires careful consideration of the animal's natural behaviors and needs. Civets are arboreal animals and are known to climb. Integrate climbing structures, platforms, or branches within the box to allow civets to express their natural behaviors. Like many nocturnal animals, are generally adapted to low-light conditions and may prefer darker spaces, especially for resting and sleeping during the day. Civets are omnivores, and their diet in the wild is diverse, consisting of fruits, small mammals, insects, and other plant matter. To mimic their natural diet, they are fed with a range of foods similar to what they would encounter in nature to help formulate a balanced and appropriate diet. The main diet of civet in the farm are coffee berries. Farmers selectively harvest ripe coffee cherries from coffee plants and plantations. Ripe cherries are often red or deep purple in color. The harvested coffee berries are then provided to the civets in the farm. Farmers may place the coffee cherries in designated feeding areas or provide them directly to the civets. The coffee beans inside the cherries pass through the civet's digestive system. During this process, enzymes in the civet's stomach are believed to alter the chemical composition of the beans, providing unique flavors to the coffee, contributing to its rich and distinctive taste. Farmers closely observe the behavior of civets to identify when they excrete feces containing undigested coffee beans. Once civets have excreted feces, farmers search for it in designated areas within the enclosure for the presence of undigested coffee beans, and they are collected. This can involve daily inspections of the civet housing. The collected feces are carefully cleaned to remove any impurities or contaminants. The focus is on separating the undigested coffee beans from the rest of the fecal matter. After washing, the cleaned coffee beans are typically dried before further processing. This can involve natural sun drying or other drying methods. The dried and cleaned coffee beans will undergo inspection before they are ready for process. The inspection of coffee beans before packaging is a crucial step to ensure the quality, consistency, and cleanliness of the final product, ensuring that only high-quality beans are selected for packaging. Traditional Indonesian methods often involve manual roasting. The cleaned and sorted beans are typically roasted in small batches over an open flame. The roasting process is closely monitored by experienced roasters. They may adjust the temperature, duration, and other factors based on their expertise and the desired flavor profile. After roasting, the beans are allowed to cool before further processing. This cooling phase helps to stabilize the flavors. Once cool, the coffee beans are now ground to the desired coarseness. The grinding process exposes more surface area of the beans, allowing for better extraction of flavors during brewing. Kopi luwak is one of the most expensive coffees in the world, selling for between $200 to $1,000 per kilogram. The price can vary widely depending on various factors, such as the quality of the beans, the production methods, the region of origin, and market demand. Civet coffee is often considered a luxury or specialty item, and its unique production process contributes to its higher cost compared to conventional coffees.